Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are in zone 1 to do a quick clean of the windows and glass surfaces in here. This is part of our weekly home blessing, so I have my helper with me today. You want to say hi? You want to say hi, helper? No? Okay. So she's working on doing the glass tabletop right here and then the smaller table that's by the window. And I'm going to be working on windows, so I'm definitely going to do the inside of this window and then the larger windows here. Let's see if I can show you at the in the bay. And then what? And I will also do the mirror that's over to my left side there. So after that, I actually do want to go outside and at least get this window here. This one is on the front porch, so that I can easily do from the outside. But the larger set of windows in the bay, I have to get a ladder to get those because that's on our deck, which it's kind of an overhang on the deck. So I can try and get to those today, no guarantee, but we're gonna go ahead and get started on that, and I'll show you how we're working. And do we have our timer set? Here it is. So the timer set for 10 minutes, that should be plenty.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, can I just do 1 more minute?
1 more minute? Okay.
Because I started it.
Oh, okay. So she's gonna add another couple of seconds. Perfect. Okay, I think that works great. Good. Okay, let's get going. You got your spray on there, okay? So our timer is going for about 10 minutes.
Well, not 10 minutes.
Not 10 minutes. Okay.
Wait. Well, she said that for 189 minutes.
Oh, 189 minutes would be a long time. So we've already done some good decluttering today. We went through Adelina's drawer, her main drawer for all of her clothes, and got that.
Tell them that already because we already told them that.
We already told them that, I know. In a different video, we told them that. So if you want to go see that other video, you can. And you can probably hear the neighbors are getting their lawn mowed, so you might hear that in the background. But we have one extra rag because these silver FlyLady rags really do work the best. And that'll be my final drying cloth.
Yeah. But it's really nice that we have
And I might need
a lot of them.
That's true, we do have a lot of them. They're handy.
Yeah, no
So
boy
I'm
handy.
going to
No boy handy.
really get up here and do this.
I can do that one.
Can you? The tall one?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you're doing a great job on the table.
No,
Thank you for doing
do it.
that.
Let me do it.
How are you going to reach it?
Standing up.
Standing up on the chair like I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay, well, 1 moment.
You might think that.
Let's dry this off, and then you can help me do the outside. You want to do that? It's got to be the inside?
No.
Okay. All right, so we'll get
Yeah.
that much cleaner. Okay.
Will you spray it for me?
Well, I think it's pretty wet on my rag. You want to use my microfiber rag there? See, look, it's still wet. So you can use that. Okay? And then I'm going to go do this window over here.
Well,
Do you want to
mine's
help me
soaked.
with that one? Yours is soaked? Well,
Yes.
yours would be better to do, wouldn't it?
Yeah, mine's kind of dripping.
Okay, wow, and it's really good to do. Oh, and yeah, if you could do this edge of the wood for me while we're up here, that would be great. Thank you.
Can you move my chair?
Yeah,
Why is there a handle over there?
it's actually the rope from the old weights that were in our old windows, because these are the original 100-year-old windows, and they used to have a rope and pulley system with a heavy weight in the wall, but that got removed when they did the insulating. So we just have a rope, a little bit of rope tucked in there.
And a little bit more.
And a little bit more over there, yep.
It's probably just a little ball.
That's
There's
good.
poop outside. Let's go clean that poop.
I know, we need to clean the outside in just a second. Let's finish this inside window over here,
You can do
and then
this.
we'll go outside, okay?
You can do this, but I go outside.
Well, how about you get the lower part and I'll get the upper part, okay? Thank you. You did a great job on this table. Did you do this whole glass glass table too? Oh, I see
I
a
have a
spot
clean-
that needs to be dried off, so
Yeah.
we'll get that.
I just twist.
Okay.
Mom, look how good
Oh,
this
wow, you can reach up really tall there. Good job. All right, so that
Mom,
glass
can I move
table.
this table more? Because I'm going to put my trowel right there, I think.
Okay, hold on. Let me put this down. And then we can move the table and the chair. How about?
And I still need this job to stand up.
Okay. So we need to move this over even more, huh?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I can more fit my chair.
Okay, got it.
I'll get off.
Okay, you hop down. We'll move it right here. Do you need a little more spray or you got a nice wet
I
cloth?
think I need a little bit more spray.
Okay, let's get a little more spray.
And this thing also spray.
How about 3 squishes? Diane in Denmark says squish, squish, squish. So 1, 2, 3, plenty. And see how it's dripping down? Get it quick with your rag.
Whoa. And then we're going to sprinkle on the top.
Okay,
Whoa.
I know. Is this in the way?
Yeah.
I'm gonna set it up here for right now.
If you not say what to do then.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And we have a wasp trapped in the screen on the outside.
How do you know?
I can see him flying around right there. You see him?
Oh, goodness. Poor
Oh,
wasp.
goodness.
Oh, no, that's
All
just
right.
silly.
Okay.
That wasp.
Did you get the bottom part? I see a few drips down there.
Whoa.
Mhm.
Now let me have some on the top.
Okay.
Let me do it.
3 squishes up there, huh? 1, 2, 3. Plenty. Good job.
And let me do it.
Okay.
Before I go.
Good job.
And you can do the part.
I'll do the part that got missed. How about that?
Yep.
Okay. And I bet our timer's gonna go off pretty soon, so we'll finish up with our last windows and then we can go outside.
Yep. I'm just gonna go outside now.
Oh, you are? Okay. And I'm gonna do a dust up here too.
And we still got
I know, we need to get our Easter stuff put away, don't we?
Yeah, let's do that after all.
Okay,
Let's
let's
do
do
a
that.
little bit of putting our Easter stuff up
We
instead.
could do that. We have about 2 or 3 little bunny rabbits that are hiding, aren't they?
How are they?
One
One is right
right there. I know. You want to make a pile of the bunny rabbits that you can find?
I found one.
Okay.
It's got a hot light.
Okay. And then, are there any other bunny rabbits or Easter things you can find that need to be put away?
The bunny's doing some dancing.
Oh gosh, that dancing bunny, huh?
Okay.
And then, oh, I see over there, there's a little sign that says, "Let's go on an egg hunt." That sounds like an Easter decoration. Can you get that one too for me?
Yeah, but also don't forget the little birdie.
Oh yeah, the little Easter bird that has a little eggshell on it. Little chickie. All right.
Chicky, baby. And I know it's not here. Can I change these eggs on?
Well, we'll put them in our Easter decorations for next time. It's Easter next year. Okay.
It's just something.
All right. I think
Now
that's,
set my little birdie in here.
that's it. Oh, I need to get our. Let me go ahead and do that mirror there.
Okay, little fire. I don't think
And
that's what.
that as well.
No, that boy's looking at it.
Oh gosh. Okay, and there is that done.
If you
Do a quick and
if
this.
you listen more carefully,
Uh-huh.
you can actually hear beads in here.
Beads in there. Oh my. Okay, be gentle with it, okay? All right, you want to tell them all? I think we're done. How much time is left? 2 minutes left, so we beat our timer. You're gonna go outside? Okay, I'll meet you out there. I'm just gonna tell them all bye-bye.
And then we're doing that video.
And we'll do another video
Now some things up.
of putting the summer things out. All right, well that is our zone cleaning of doing the windows and our weekly home blessing here in our zone 1. We consider the dining room part of our entryway since it's it's in the front part of the house, and it's a little bit less used than the main living areas like the kitchen and bedrooms. So thank you for joining me today. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're cleaning for your Zone 1 today, and I will look to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below. Thanks again. Bye-bye.